Good morning, aspirants. We are again back in Biology Nagari. I hope you all are fine and working hard toward your studies. We are also with you. We are again back in Biology Nagari with a very interesting topic, the human excretory system. My dear students, my dear aspirants, I want to tell you that this is the fourth chapter of human physiology of class 11 and very much important from the both point of views, the NEET as well as the board. This fourth chapter of human physiology deals with totally excretion, how a human being or an organism excretes. But before starting this chapter, we have to know that what the really mean of excretion. So first we are going to discuss the meaning of a word excretion. So this is our main word on which this total chapter is based on. Excretion means, basically it means the removal of waste from body. The meaning of excretion means the removal of waste from a body. We know that when we talk specifically about human beings or any other animals used to eat food for the fulfillment of energy, for the vital functioning of a body. But when the nutrients from that food get absorbed by the body, what is done by the waste? Yes, now the waste should be get out from the body, and this removal of waste from a body naturally is called excretion. So I think the meaning of excretion is very much clear to all of you, the removal of waste from a body. Now we are going to focus on the excretory system of human and introduction to the human excretory system in this particular lecture. So our particular lecture will deal with the introduction of the human excretory system, in which we will going to study and see that which are the organs which are coordinately work for the excretion in human beings. Okay, in another lecture we will further study, but in this lecture we are going to study the introduction of the human excretory system, which are the organs and how that organs are connected to each other and working in a coordinate manner. So let's draw human excretory system. So we know that human excretory system mainly consists of 4 organs, which starts from a vital organ, kidney. First, kidney. It is one pair in a human being. After this, the second organ is the ureter. Yes, the ureter. This is also one pair. Third is the urinary bladder. But this urinary bladder is single, only one, found only one in a body. Okay. After that, the fourth main organ is the urethra. When we talk about urethra, it is the last part or a last portion of human excretory system. And when we talk in a detail, this urethra in males are longer in length, but in case of females, this urethra is shorter in length. Is it clear? So these are the 4 organs which works in a coordinate manner for humans for a excretion. So these are the excretory system, and these 4 organs contributes and works coordinately in excretory system. Now these organs I will show you on a diagram, by the help of a diagram, how they are arranged with each other and working. So here I am going to draw a diagram. These are the kidney, which are one pair, both sides. These kidney are attached with the ureter. This is the ureter. This ureter goes and opens in the urinary bladder, and urinary bladder further works in a urethra. Yes, this is urethra. It's time for labeling the diagram. This is labeling. This is urethra. This is the urinary bladder. bladder, this is the ureter, and yes, this is kidney. And above kidney there is a gland which is called adrenal gland, which is located just above this kidney on the both kidneys. So adrenal gland is also found in a pair, two adrenal glands. These adrenal glands which are located above the kidney releases a hormone called adrenaline. Yes, which is also known as F3 hormone. This is the adrenal gland. This is the adrenal gland, and this gland releases a hormone. We know that the basic role of a gland is to release a chemical which is called hormone or a chemical messenger. So same like these adrenal gland releases a hormone called adrenaline hormone. These adrenaline hormone are also famous by the name F3 hormone. Why? Because these hormones are basically secreted during three conditions, which are fear. In the case of fear, fight, when we will fight against each other, and a flight, we are running from a place for a certain conditions. So that's why this adrenaline gland is also famous by the name of F3 hormone, which was released by adrenal gland, and these adrenal glands are located just above the kidney. This was the introduction to the human excretory system. These are the organs which will function in a coordinate manner in an excretory system. I think you all are very much clear by this level diagram that these are the organs. Now, one by one, we will go through in a detail that how kidney works, after that what is ureter, urinary bladder and urethra in detail. Okay, so we are just going to see the connectivity of these organs. Kidney is attached by urinary bladder by the mean of ureter. Ureter is connecting, is the adjoining structure between kidney and urinary bladder, because when the kidney will send the urine to the urinary bladder, it will comes by ureter, and after getting inside the urinary bladder, this urine will get out from our body by the mean of urethra. In males through by male penis, and in the case of females by the female genitalia. Okay, I think the introduction was almost clear to all of you. Thank you for